So good morning to all audience present here. Myself, Dr. Raghavendra Patidar, Convener, Institutions Innovation Council, Global Institute of Technology, welcomes you all participants present here. As you all are aware that today Institutions Innovation Council, Global Institute of Technology, in association with Maharaja Agrasen University, Institute of Technology, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, organizing a workshop on entrepreneurship skills, attitude, and behavior development. The sole objective of this workshop is to develop necessary knowledge and skills required for organizing and carrying out entrepreneurial activities. Entrepreneurship is most important for a number of reasons, from promoting social change to driving innovation. Great entrepreneurs have the ability to change the way we live and
Ma'am,
work on local and national basis. So, by not taking so much time, let's start this workshop by introducing our keynote speaker, Mr. Swayam Prakash. Mr. Swayam Prakash, presently working as an assistant professor in computer science and engineering department at our mentor institute, Maharaja Agrasen University. He also has experience of running two successful startups for 2 years in Hyderabad, Telangana, and Sangli, it is in Maharashtra. He also has worked as head of data analytics and machine learning division in .web, that is the division of .logic Web Solution Private Limited. He has expertise in R, Python, and big data ecosystem, developing MapReduce applications, deploying Hadoop-based MapReduce clusters are his forte. And he is also passionate for teaching. Mr. Swam is also IEEE Young Professional Member in IEEE Hyderabad section. He has done more than 100 workshops in online as well as in offline mode. So I request you all the participants to listen him very carefully. I assure his voice and words will ignite you all with a new spark of entrepreneurship in this session. So I am pleased to welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
yes. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank you to IIC Director Ma'am, Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology and Global Institute of Technology, Jaipur, for giving me opportunity to share my views and speak about the entrepreneurship skill at entrepreneurship skill and also giving the whole ideas. So I am just going to start. So before going to entrepreneurship skill, first I would like to say about the entrepreneur. So what do you mean by entrepreneur? Entrepreneur has come as a French word. It is, and what it means? It means to undertake. So to undertake anything, so whatever some everyone has some vision or some ideas. So if they are going to take it and they are going to work on it, that is entrepreneur. So a person who undertakes the risk of starting a new business venture is an entrepreneur. So anything, just like if you want to do something in your village, you want to run one shop there. So what you will do? You will just grow for the grocery item you are going to do. So through this, what your villager people, your village fellow people, they are going to benefit it. So that is you are an entrepreneur. So next is what is entrepreneurship? The process of starting own business is entrepreneurship. Means shop, you are going to open shop or other any whatever you want to. So that is the process. Whatever the process it is involved, that is entrepreneurship. So now I am going to move art of driving an idea. That is the most important for the entrepreneurship. So what it means? So this session is fully, if you have anything, you can speak in between also. So I am just going to start my session through this art of driving an idea. So uh, there is similarity to running a startup or driving a vehicle, car or something, whatever. So when we are going to start, so driver is needed. So driver is basically what? Entrepreneur. And the co-passenger, some passenger is sitting with him. So that is the co-passenger. That is, we can take as in the company some employees or other person. So whole soul of any company is the driver as entrepreneur. So, and then I am going to say that what are the things that is useful for running an entrepreneur or organization. In organization there are four things that is very useful. So like four, every car has the four. So here also we need the four things. That is, first one is important thing is the idea. Without idea we are not going to do any entrepreneurship. So just I am going to give a brief on idea generation. So how we are going to generate some idea. When we are going somewhere, we need to learn from everyone. This is the first quality of, first skill of any entrepreneur. If you have visited temple to worship, you are going to see that what they are doing means there are flowers are there and they are devoting, they are doing other things. So from there also the we can generate idea that what the use of those flowers. That is the one idea. So from there we can work out. Then if we have visited some places, in that places lots of things to see. So after seeing those things, what the idea is coming in your mind. So idea generation is the first and foremost for entrepreneurship. Next is, there is two view of the, one is the rear view, that is in the car rear view mirror is there, another is front view mirror. So in the same way, for any entrepreneurship to start or do any work, there are two things. One is rear view, another is front view. So rear view is what? It is it taking the past and the, what are the other companies who are in the competition of the newcomer companies, that we have to see, and through that we have to make ourselves ready for any type of challenges. Front view is the next thing, that is we are going to see what is our future. So this is very important, and the most important thing is when you are going to start your own business, you have the determination with dedication. So, and next thing is determination with destination, fixed destination where you want to reach through your own organization. So basics of entrepreneurship. First one is calculated risk taking. When I have started to work out on my own startup in partnership, I have not invested a single money from my own pocket. What I have done, because my skill sets are good, because I have started grooming myself at the time of BTech onwards. So in the BTech final year, I have done my BTech final year from the Durgapur Institute of Advanced Technology Management, Durgapur. So there, from there, I used to go to ISM Dhanbad to teach theory of competition and compiler design. And on the teaching, I just learned that if you are teaching to someone, you will be the master of that subject. You know the what they want to know from you. Same way, I have taken one workshop on the C programming, and next again I have done programming on Java also. So everywhere I have done hands-on training, and I am asking each and every students and participant, whoever, that what this line is doing in this code. So through there I have also from teaching by learning a skill I have gained. So same way in my company also for the revenue generation, first from the starting day I have started to giving the workshops, and then I have taken 30 hours uh, training on R, Python, and Hadoop because my skill set are good. So I have done that. So whatever your strength is there, through that strength, you can go for the entrepreneurship. So you have to build something, any one programming language, take it and master of it. Whatever will come, you will overcome. That is there. Next is the effective communication. It is very necessary how you are going to communicate to the your customer, to your partners, to your employees, and other, how you are going to send them mail, how you are going to send them report, and how you are going to speak to them. So for effective communication, because I am basically from Bihar, so my communication was not good at the present when I joined in BTech. So what I have done, I have taken responsibility of placement coordinator there, a student placement coordinator, and I used to talk to the all the companies HR for my good communication skills. Same way I have in MTech also I have taken the responsibility of placement coordinator. And there also I used to talk, I used to go to the companies, visiting companies and giving the presentation on the, because I have done MTech in artificial intelligence from University of Hyderabad. Central University. So I have gone there and I am giving the presentation on about the university, how university is there, what are the students' strength and other things. Through that, I have made my own communication skills very good, presentation skills very good. So this is the second thing you have to make from made from yourself. Third is the vision from the starting, because I am from the Bihar, so my family's starting they are used to say that he can be engineer, doctor, or IS officer. But my plan is that I want to do something different. So that through that vision I have entered in the entrepreneurship. Next is the connection with efficient people. For this, I have joined Computer Society of India because lots of people connected with Computer Society of India. Then I have also joined IEEE. So from there I have got more number of connection. Then I used to where from where you are studying, doing the BTech or MTech, alumni are there. So be in touch with alumni. Where you will go, they are going to help you. If you are going to start your own entrepreneurship, also they are going to help you because they know that you are going to do some work and they are coming and helping. Whatever the problem will come, they will directly help you. You can approach them. So connection with efficient people is very important. For connecting, you need to talk to them. So alumni base is very important. Next is the strategy. So if you want to work out on some project, you need to be make some strategy for it. So from the basic to up to the last. So for making a strategy, first before entering into the entrepreneurship, I have started in a startup, because in a startup you will get a single project to do from yourself. So that has given me whole ideas of making a strategy for any project. Final is the marketing. There are lots of way to do the marketing of the product, but the best way is the mouth campaigning. If you have lots of friends, because everyone nowadays everyone is using Facebook, WhatsApp, and other. In Facebook, if you have 5,000 friends, okay, so if you are posting about your own companies there, so it will reach up to not only 5,000, because everyone has different friends also. All 5,000 has only common friends, not they have different friends also. Every day we are posting lots of things. So why not we'll post about our own entrepreneur? We if what every day we are sending someone's good morning, good evening messages in WhatsApp, why not we'll send them about our entrepreneurship, our own organization. So through that, and then next is that You can also have some people who are doing the selling the newspapers. They can give door to door about your own entrepreneurship organization. So that is the marketing way. And nowadays it is digital era, so you can use any type of digital way to market about your own organization. Now the entrepreneurship skills. So first one and important skill is the soft skills. So communication, writing mails, sending mail, communicating to each and everyone is important. Be in touch with each and everyone. Always available for everyone. If someone is giving you idea, he is very junior to you, but that idea is useful for your own organization. Because if someone is saying something, he has something in his mind. So use it and go for it. Try to implement it. When we are going for the implementation, that time we can face some problem, but that is important. First, we need to listen someone. So, and the next is the interpersonal relation. This is very important for the entrepreneurship. Right now, from the starting, whoever has done MTech in artificial intelligence or MTech from University of Hyderabad, I have contact from 1974 up to now. For every occasion, I used to send them message whenever their birthday is there, whenever their marriage anniversary and other whatever. I have taken each and everything, and for every occasion, I used to send them one single message. So that will make interpersonal relation with them. So when I have started my own organization in partnership, they have helped me a lot. They have given me huge projects and I worked on it. So interpersonal relation is very important. So wherever you are, in whichever university you are doing, or like Global Institute of Technology, you have your alumni. Take the data of their their contact number, their mail ID, and send them huge amount of what wherever their functions are there, they have birthday and other wishes. Just try to be in touch with them. Next is the coordination. Coordination is very important in the case of entrepreneurship when you are going to start your own organization. So coordinate with your own employees, coordinate with the other industry people. So that is very important. Next is the managerial skills, because entrepreneur is whole and soul of the organization. So he has to do planning. So how he is going to do the planning? So when we have to start some new organization, we have our own vision, and on the basis of that vision, we are going to start our own organization. So for that, we need to do planning from a sketch, from a starting. So for that, start, write everything, whatever is coming in your mind for your vision, write down on the paper first. It will be not correct on the first time, but write down on the paper. Make it habit, whatever is coming in your mind, write down on the paper. After writing it down, try, then you see, is it implementable or not? For each and every planning a step, go a step by step. First step, is it implicable or not, uh, implementable or not? So seeing one by one step, you are going to reach to your destination. So that is important. Second one is the motivation. So from where you will take the motivation, because motivation is coming day by day, not it will comes in one day. We have to work out on it. Just like for me, my motive when I have started, so I used to see my father is a teacher, retired, now he is retired, but I have seen him every day 9 to 5. He used to go to 9 o'clock and come 5. So he has devoted his whole times, and I have taken motivation from him that whatever he is doing with the zeal. Every day he is going with the same zeal and coming and same and taking all the classes and other things. So and I used to go with him also sometime. So I have seen, so and from there I have motivated. So the motivation has come from my parents. So you can also take the motivation from anyone, whomever you are seeing daily meeting and other thing. Either your parents are there, your teachers are there, any other, but you will have to motivate yourself for doing entrepreneur. Third one is the marketing. Are you able to do marketing of your product or not? That is very important. Whatever the product that is you are going to make through your own organization, you have to do marketing. Just previously also I told that marketing, there is best way is the mouth is. So how your, so mouth campaigning is the best way. If you are saying to some person, he is saying to other person, so they will believe, because right now the era is what, if some friends are saying that this product is good, next friend will go and they will purchase. So like the same way you can go for the marketing. Next is the accounting. You should be able to see that how much revenue is coming and how much it is going, because everyone wants to do any, to start any startup for the revenue generation, for gaining the profit. So for that you have to see that how much money you are making or not. Every day, last moment we have to see, at the last time when we are going out from our organization, we have to take care of that how much, what gain today we have done. Day by day, make day by day accountability. Not only ask to your employees also that what fruitful they have done today and how they are going to make another day fruitful also. Next is the negotiation. For if someone is coming for to give you the new project, so negotiation skill is very important there, because they will think that, they will say that in market other big companies are doing in very less amount, why you are taking so much amount. So that time you have to say that my company is a startup, I have just a startup, uh, and I have to pay to my employees who are working under me, and this is the first assignment you just give us. After delivering it on time and in a better way, you can decide how much money you want to pay to us. So first try to satisfy to your customer, satisfy to the different whoever is coming to you. One time, once they are going to satisfy through your products, next time no need to say to them, they will come to you and they will give whatever you want, whatever you are demanding to them. But first we need to come into the market. First we need to put ourselves in their pocket, their own way. So that is very important. So now I want to say through this entrepreneurship skill success story. So this story is fully based on, so help us green, this company name is there, and it has started by two people, Ankit Agrawal and Mr. Karan. So how the idea has come? First thing, on 14 January 2014, they have gone to take bath in Kanpur, in at Ganga River. They have seen lots of flowers. People are coming and they are just depositing there in the Ganga River. After seeing this, Mr. Karan has told to Mr. Ankit Agrawal, they are wasting these flowers. How can we use this flower? So Mr. Karan, he is also, that time they both are working in Oracle company. So Mr. Karan has told to Mr. Ankit Agrawal, why not? From this flower we can make incense stick, अगरबत्ती जो होता है उसको बना सकते हैं. We can use it for organic vermicomposting also. So idea is what? From flowers of temple, making incense stick and organic vermicomposting. So but idea has come on that time, but they have not started the company same day. On this idea, they have done the market survey, that who are going to purchase this incense stick, who are going to use this organic vermicomposting, where we'll plant this help us green company, and how putting less money we are going to get the more benefit. So for that, 2015, 14 January 2015, just after 1 year doing market survey, another thing, they have started this company in Boti village, Kanpur. Why village? Because they don't want to invest more money, so they have started in one village, that is Boti village in Kanpur, and they have their company in 20,000 square feet, and from 29 temples they are collecting 800 kilo flowers and using it for business purpose. So after collecting the flowers, they need some employee to do work on it. So for that, they have taken the village women people. They have taken the help. 70 women employees right now working with that company, and they are paying every day 200 rupees to those women employee. And after paying and all doing all the stuffs for their company, right now they are earning 2 crore annual turnover. They are coming, they are doing taking. So this is a simple idea they have done. So you are also seeing other, so you can do also same thing way. So this is a simple idea, and with the idea they have work out, and right now they are giving training to the farmers of Karnataka, Gujarat, regarding organic vermicomposting, regarding farming. Next is the entrepreneurship attitude. Very simple attitude, learning from everyone, everywhere and everywhere. If you are going through train, bus, or anywhere, just try to communicate with each other. If they are saying someone is good in something, they are little child also, they don't, try to learn from him. Learning from everywhere, everyone, that is very important for entrepreneurship. Next is the down to earth. Don't show ego to someone, because if someone is coming to you to give some project, and if you say that no, this is not, so be down to earth, be simple, be available to each and everyone at the starting, because we are just going to start up our own startup. We need to be in a good position in the market, so we need to be down to earth. Be optimistic. Whatever problem will come, if at the starting you are not gaining more profit, but be optimist. One day you are going to be on in top 100 companies, that is sure. So next is the market survey. Every time do the market survey. If you are going to launch some project, some product, do the market survey. People are liking it or not, you have to do something or not, you have to add something on it or not, that is very important. Next success story I want to, of a startup on entrepreneurship attitude, I want to say, this company, Quadetics Insight Private Limited, I was the first employee of this company. It has been started by Dr. Sriram Murthy in 2014. Same time, that time only, I have completed my master in artificial intelligence, master in MTech in artificial intelligence from University of Hyderabad, and they have started this Hyderabad-based startup. They have taken me as a data scientist there, and on they have, why this idea has come to in Dr. Sriram Murthy sir mind. He has done PhD in data science from foreign university. After doing, he thought that why not we can do same thing, whatever they are working in USA, why not we can do same thing in the India. So they have started Quadetics Insight Private Limited. Then he is searching for some employees. So he has come to our university, University of Hyderabad, and he has taken me as a first employee. And same way, how he has generated the revenue, because just starting, no one is going to, on the day one, no one is going to give you uh, some project of the things. So what we have started in Sophie there, in Sophie Data Science Training Institute, that is his brother, Dr. Sri Ramurthy sir brothers institute. So from there he has taken some employees from he has hired some employees from University of Hyderabad, Triple IT Hyderabad, and they are basically right now also working on data science, big data related project. But before that, they are giving training and hands-on training on data science like R, Python, and Hadoop. From there, they are generating revenue and they are using in his startup. Each and every money they are using. So like this, they have made this startup running, and right now its turnover is more than 50 crore rupees. And the next is entrepreneurship behavior. So in the behavior, first and most important thing is the patience. Keeping patience in every situation, whatever the situation is coming, be patient. Be practical in all the situation. If something is not working out, some new project has come and not, your employees is not able to work out it, be practical. Say him that try and try. You will get it. And next is the self discipline. We need to give our example to our employee as entrepreneur. So start working from ourselves. Whatever you want your employee to follow. So self discipline is the most important. If you want your employee to work for 9 hours, first start from yourself, because you are the role model for your employee and your organization. So whatever you will do, they will learn from you. And the next is determination. So determination is most important thing. Determination will comes from working on the some project, or working on yourself day by day, every day. Just determine that today I have to finish this work in this time limit. So if you have the determination for your organization as an entrepreneur, no one is going to stop you as a successful entrepreneur. It may take some time, but you are going to do best in entrepreneurship. That is 100% sure. Next is the success story of a startup on entrepreneurship behavior. That is, this one is .web. That is started. I have started in partnership with Bikram Chindam. It is Hyderabad and Sangli based startup, and I want to say the whole story of this, how we have started and where we have met and how we have got the idea to do this. That time I was working in CBR College of Engineering as assistant professor, and he came there. I have invited him for one workshop on Python. After reaching there, we have just started talking to each other regarding this data science field. So then he told me that we are not getting the proper employee, and those who are working under me, they are not good in data science, because this is a new field. That time it has come just. So he told me, I told that why not we can come up with a startup who can groom the students on data science, and we can make them employable in our company. So in this way, we'll get good bunch of employee who are able to do anything in data science. He told this is good idea. So after 1 week, we have started this .web. I have not put a single money from my pocket. Everyone say that money is important for a starting business, but I have not put a single money from my pocket. What I have done, I told him that first we'll start to train the different places. different schools student, different college student on R, Python, and Hadoop. From there, whatever the money will come, will put in the company. So first we have pick up St. Francis College for Women. So why we have picked that only? Why not other? St. Francis College for Women, lots of IAS, IPS, and other persons doubters are studying there because that is only for the girls. And there also, I know that whoever is the big their actors like Junior NTR wife is also studying there and others. So we want to be in touch with them. So that's why I told him that we'll start from St. Francis College for Women to give the training. So there we have got 5 batches at a time. And from those 5 batches, every batches is 30 hours. So 30 hours program we have scheduled on R, then Python and Hadoop, 30 hours. Basic training. So in the first batch, I got 30 students are there in that. And in that batch, I got the wife of Junior NTR also in that. That is Pranati. So I just, after giving the training, on the final day, we have meeting each and everyone and asking that what you have learned and how you are going to utilize it. So when I reached to her, she told me that I want to work out on for my own husband. I told that he is a very big actor. So how you are going to utilize this data analytics tools for him? She told that I want to do the movie, whatever the movie he has made up to now. So which type of movie has got more and more revenue generation? And on after releasing which movie he has got more fan following. So you can see that what she is doing after studying data analytics. She is already, her husband is very famous actor. Junior NTR family is one of the most famous family in Hyderabad, in whole Andhra and Telangana. So from that family also, after learning, she is doing analysis on her husband, and she has made the portfolio and each and everything of her husband. So this is the beauty of this data science. Next is, after giving then I have in Pro Karma, that time Manu Gupta is the vice president there, and he is the alumni of University of Hyderabad. MBA he has done. So I have consulted to him. So he has told that why not you can give the training to our employee. So from there we have generated the revenue. Then Bitcentum R&D is one company is there. So that is one of our one of my friend is director of that. He is working for IEEE also. So I have consulted to him, and he has also like, so in this way. And then Inside View. So Inside View company also my alumni are working. So through there I have got these 3 clients at a moment. And after getting these 3 clients, one is the ClickView also, that very big company. They have also given me one project. So I have worked on that ClickView project also. So whatever the new technology is coming, be master of it. Try to learn it. Read each and every day some new concept and try to implement it. So that is going to make your road for entrepreneurship. Because we have this 4 year BTech program is golden era for each and everyone. If you are going to each and every day devote only 1 or 2 hours to see in and around yourself and try to generate some idea, after 4 years when you are going out from your campus, you have bunch of ideas, and in all the ideas you just take one idea that you don't have to spend more money and try to work out on it. So now I want to show some how you are going to, if you want for, so that is first I want to say about the this tide program. It is started by University of Hyderabad in 2016, and we have also registered for it that time. That is my company. So how, if you don't want to pay from your own pocket for the and you want to be as entrepreneurship, so they are guiding, they are giving the training also on entrepreneurship. So you have to apply for it. So from anywhere, wherever you have done BTech, and you can apply for it. So this is all. So what they have, we have to give, that is means say this. First is the name of the incubator. What is the incubator? So you have to make first. You have to register your company, then trust area of incubator. So because we have given geospatial data analytics, why we have taken this one? That I want to say. There lots of sagars, lots of lake are there in the Hyderabad. Not only in Hyderabad, in Vijayawada and other Guntur district of the whole Andhra Pradesh, if you visit, you will see lots of lake. But nowadays, what happened? What people are doing? They are putting soil in the lake and taking. But government will not go and see each and everywhere. So for that reason, we have given them idea that we can do geospatial data analytics. What we'll do? We'll take the pictures through internet from the geo. So from geospatial, we'll just, and after taking the whole picture through satellite, we can do analysis where the lakes are there. And after doing the analysis, we can give them that they can see that where the people are trying to capture these lakes. So that is important. So for that, we have given trust area of incubator as a geospatial data analytics. Then legal entity, whatever the form is there, then entrepreneur for the person's name, then who are the permanent address, because like this. So, and after that, academic qualification we have to give. So you can see that my partner has just done MCA. I am just, that time I have also just MTech. And then whatever the now detail of the project how. So that time what we have told, geospatial data analysis is an emerging area that uh, which which has an immense potential for growth. Why? Because like geospatial involves real-time monitoring of a geographical area using satellite imagery. We have just same thing. We have whatever the idea has come, that, and how this idea has come in both of us. I want to say we have gone Bangalore, and at the time of the people when they are going to go to companies, that time huge traffic was there. We have meeting time at 11 a.m., 11 o'clock, but we reached 12 p.m. 11 a.m. we have the time, but we reached 12 p.m. because huge traffic was there that time. And after seeing this, we thought that why not we can solve this huge traffic problem in Bangalore. So then the idea has come. Then we have thought that why not we can take the satellite image of this whole, whenever the huge traffic is coming, we will note down the time, and we can suggest that why not some time we can change, or those. Then we have seen in a single car, in single car, one husband is coming going to the company, another wife is going to the company. So it is what, everyone has one car, and one person is going in the one car. So why not, if the company is on the same way, wife is working in TCS, another husband is working in Tech Mahindra, and it is in the same line, so why not they can go in the same car? Yeah, we can say that it is a status of, it is the symbol of a status that if you have your own car you are going by. But in this way we can reduce the traffic, or someone, if some, every companies we can go for the bus also, all will go, so that time also the traffic can be reduced. So that we have used satellite imagery and we have tried. So for that, our project, proposed product enable clients from the industry to subscribe to our SaaS-based service to track their assets or do intelligent analysis of certain real estate assets. So that we have done also. Next is detail of the proposed product is okay. Now present market value. That time it was emerging business domain, and it is in millions of dollars. That time this geospatial analytics has been done by the some people in China or some people in Japan, but not in our country. People are aware of it. So this whole money has been given by the University of Hyderabad that time, and we are looking whatever we have told. So this financial funding, office space, each and everything they have given us, and we have successfully delivered this project. Next one more just I want to say. Next idea, that is concept, that is on data science center. So that is data science center also. We have proposed to the government that time, as one I have taken person from their CR Rao Advanced Institute of Mathematics, Statistics and Computer Science, Hyderabad. He is the chief advisor also Analytics Division, Data Innovation Center, that is in Hyderabad. And one another I was involved in that. So what we have done, we have told about the data science. It is interdisciplinary field, and we told them that what market trend we have also told to them. So in this way we have written one proposal for data science center. You can also write, you can submit, you can get it. So why we have gone for the data science center and how they are going to give us. So that point I want to stress here. So in data science center, we have planning to design algorithms for sentiment analysis of the social network data. And this whole we have submitted to 2014 last when the government have BJP has come. We have just submitted that whatever the speech any political party leader, any political just like in BJP leader is going to give, so we can do the sentiment analysis of that speech, and we can see that the output of this sentiment can give the insight about the people's sentiments towards a particular subject. What if someone has told, is saying somewhere about the something particular, it is going to affect the people or not. Same way you can see right now Prashant Kishore is working on iPad. So what he is doing, he is just playing with the sentiment of the people. What he has done, he has made lots of Facebook dummy profiles, and after making, he used to continuously, wherever the elections are there, he used to continuously send the messages. What type of messages he's saying? Whatever the problems those area people are facing, same type of message you will receive either on Facebook or WhatsApp, like this. So after getting this, what, and from that, so he is playing with the sentiment of the people, and he is very successful also. So like this, you can choose any topic, any area where you want to work out, and go for the startup. You can do your own startup, and you are going to get benefited also. So thank you very much. Yeah, any doubt, any question? Yes, sir.
If any student want to ask any question related to entrepreneurship and today's workshop, so they can write in the chat box. We have 1 or 2 minutes
Yes, sir.
for the question answer
Yes,
session.
sir.
So if a
Please.
student want to ask any question, then write in the chat box.
Yeah, any. Yes, sir. Any questions?
No, sir, not till now.
So anyone can say that some idea has come in your mind after listening my talk. Sir.
Okay, sir, there is no question in the chat box. So
Yes, sir.
it seems that the session is understandable. So thank you.
There is two things, sir. Either they have understand everything, or they have not understand. This is the
Right,
two
sir. Right,
things we can say.
right, sir.
So
So
if you
thank you.
want to ask something, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for this enlightening workshop. You well
Yeah.
described and explained about the required skills and importance of the entrepreneurship.
Yes,
You
sir.
focused well on the skills like communication, coordination, and managerial. So
Yes,
that
sir.
are required basically to be a successful entrepreneur. Also, you well differentiate between the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. We assure you
Yes,
that
sir.
this session will be really helpful to motivate the participants for entrepreneurship. This session will definitely help the students to go on the path of successful entrepreneur. So thanks again for giving us valuable time for this workshop.
Yes, sir. Thank you
I
very
am
much.
also very much thankful to Dr. Aparna Mahajan, Director Maharaja Agrasen University Institute of Technology and the Coordinator IIC, and whole IIC members of the Mentor Institute, Maharaja Agrasen University, for their efforts to schedule this workshop for our students of Global Institute of Technology. Also, very special thanks to all precious student and faculty participants to make this workshop meaningful. So, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm ending the session. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.